What's going on, guys? I want to do an unboxing of this Dalstrong Shogun series. This is a 10.5-inch chef knife. I have seen Dalstrong, this cool logo, coming up on Amazon every time I'm looking at chef knives. I've never heard of this company before. I'm more familiar with the standards of Global, Mac, Shun, Wusthof, Henkel's. I've been a chef for many years and used lots of those different knives, but I'm starting to see an emergence of some different brands. This is a Japanese blade. It is also Damascus steel. So it's layered, it's got the acid wash look, and it's also got a hammered look. Anyways, I'm going to unbox this because I'll tell you, I was pretty impressed with what I saw, and I just felt that it needed to be kind of documented and shared. So upon opening this box, it's a beautiful white, solid box here. I'll just slide it out. Slide it out of its sheath. Again, beautiful inside. Okay, and then it opens. There we are. From the front. Okay. Here we are, the contents of the box. Nice little touches. Of course, got some literature, some brochures, some VIP membership, and I haven't really looked into that. Some customer service stuff. Pretty cool little addable thing here to toss in is just a little polishing cloth. Very nice little touch. Got the logo all over it. What's really nice and impressive, it's a beautiful pin that came in there as well with their logo. Very nice little add-on. And then the knife itself is beautiful. But beyond that, before we get to that, this type of case it came with is very cool. It's got a little pin on a retainer pin that holds the sheath on the blade. It's a very nice, high-quality plastic sheath. It's great. It's got some breathing holes so there's no condensation for rust spots. You pop the pin, okay, and pull it here. And that releases the knife from the sheath. And a beautiful, beautiful blade. Okay, hammered look. Damascus steel, embossed logo, steel information, V10 handle with this nice little inlay. This is a cool little touch, and this is nice, right on the butt of the blade, or of the handle. Another embossed logo. Beautiful knife. Solid weight. Let's see the balance. Balance is not bad, a little heavy in the handle, but that's going to allow for a little bit less arm fatigue. Super, super sharp out of the box, but absolutely gorgeous package here. Whoops, put it backwards here. Here, we'll try this without looking here. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful little setup. And the price is incredible. Probably about $100 less than something of equivalent value and equivalent steel. And certainly they're not coming with all this beautiful case and, extra little perks. So anyways, if you've ever been, wondering about these Dalstrong knives, I haven't actually put the knife to the board yet and get a feel for its cutting ability. It feels like it's going to cut beautifully. Give it a try. I think I'm going to definitely be getting another one at this price. Certainly can't go wrong. Anyways, guys, I was wanting to do an open box review on this, show you what it's all about. I think they got a good product going here. Good job, Dalstrong. You'll be seeing more of my money. Cheers. Have a good one, guys.